Actually market has created, it's like a cup on handle and reversal pattern. It's like a small type of W pattern we can observe, otherwise we can observe as cup and handle type of pattern. Let's see what happens. Okay, my positions are going in profits or not? Yes, positions going in profits only. Where is the stop? Okay, if this one R2, sorry, S3 level, support 3 level has broken upside, means we can book good, have some and beautiful profits. But if this levels not break side, given break side upside, upward, means okay, we want to close with little small profits. That's it. Okay, it was going according to our prediction. Okay, yes, we are near to 1000 rupees profits. But bracket has failed. It was little bit of rejection upwards. Oh fuck off. See how it was rejecting. Yes, it has clearly broken upwards. But price is not able to moving now. What happened? Got it. Okay. Okay, I have set target at 62. It was running at 61.30 40. Okay. Okay. My positions have been executed and I have booked 1130. Okay.